What's up, everybody? It's Josh, aka Plant Daddy. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today we'll be unboxing the Cuisinart digital air fryer toaster oven. So we discovered a long time ago that a toaster oven is one of man's greatest inventions. Like, it toasts things, it cooks your food like an oven, but like way faster. There's no preheating. There's none of that shenanigans. Like, you put your food in, you set it, and then you go. Like, who has time to preheat? You know, we got too much stuff to do. Anyway, we've had our current toaster oven since, I want to say, 2013. It was a wedding gift, actually. So thank you to whoever bought us that toaster oven or whoever gave us the money that we used to go buy a toaster oven. We appreciate you. We love you. So this toaster oven has made it through 2 apartments, 1 condo, and a new house, 7 years of marriage, and 2 children. We've toasted countless slices of bread in here, and we've cooked more frozen meals than we really want to admit. And it's done a lot of the heavy lifting, but it's time to retire that one and open this new one. So if you've been watching my channel, first of all, I really appreciate you from the heart. I love y'all. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I don't want you to miss a moment. But if you've watched some of my videos, you know how much Carlisha and I like to get things that make our lives a little bit more convenient. You know, we got 2 kids, we have a pretty busy schedule, and like I said, we get a lot of heavy lifting out of this toaster oven. So when that toaster oven started to, you know, get a little bit old, act a little bit funny, it was time to upgrade. So we found a toaster oven that not only does the same thing that this toaster oven does, but it's also an air fryer and it's digital. And I might be a little bit more excited about the fact that it's digital than I should be, but I know y'all ain't gonna judge me for it, right? All right, so without any more delay, let's open this box. So here we have it. Okay, this is my first time actually seeing what this thing looks like. Carlisha was the one that bought this, so she did all the research, and we've talked before about how much we pay attention to like the user reviews and everything, and this is definitely something that I think we're going to get a ton of usage out of.
Hi, Bobby.
I guess not. Hi.
You
You did a great job.
Poppy, what are you doing?
We're doing an unboxing of this new toaster oven. Look.
Well, conventional oven takes too long to heat up.
That's what I said. It takes too long to preheat. Did you tell him to say that? That's amazing. Look, JoJo, we got a new toaster oven. That one we're gonna donate or something.
What does donate mean?
Because we're gonna give it away.
I'm not gonna give you away to my friend Milan.
To me,
I mean Victor. Victor always likes that machine.
He likes toaster ovens?
Yes.
Okay.
Is Victor like 35?
No, Victor! Victor is 5.5.
Oh.
As you can see, my kids are a lovable, energetic, loud handful, but bundles of love. They just finished swim practice and they attend British swim school. I don't know why it's called that, but their teacher's name is Miss Carice, and she comes here to the house, does swim practice in the pool, and this is like their 4th swim practice, and Giancarlo is now swimming without floaties. He was using floaties before, and Jolie, who used to be terrified of going in the water, not going in the water, but of going like off of the stairs, she's now putting her head underwater, and it's really amazing to see my kids learning how to swim. I don't know, it's awesome. It's awesome to see. If you have kids, you know what I'm talking about. Or if you have little people in your life, you know how awesome it is to see them learn life skills. And we're back. I feel like we went off on a little bit of a tangent, but a little break is cool because we're unboxing a toaster oven / air fryer, and I know that's not super exciting, but at least it's digital, so that's a little bit of tech to add to this. So I actually bought my mom an air fryer, I think as a gift maybe 2 years ago, and air frying is really trendy right now. Even though we don't fry a lot, I'm interested in checking it out, you know, so we can do it this way with maximum crunch and minimum guilt is what it says on the box. If you notice on the front, we've got some falafel here, and my sister-in-law is a really great cook, and I know she likes to make falafel, so she doesn't know this yet, but we're gonna ask her to come make some falafel in this. So not only does this air fry, but it bakes, it broils, it does pizza, it dehydrates, and all of that in addition to, of course, toasting, making bagels, and keeping things warm. So let's open it up. That's my favorite part. Okay, it says, attention, the air fryer basket, pan, and rack are packed in the inserts on side of the box. Okay, so I guess these are the inserts. So I'm guessing they're in here. So let's take those out first. So we've got a pan, a rack. So we've got like a basket for frying probably. We've got a what? So this is a quick reference guide that you stick in the side of the air fryer. I don't know why that part made me excited, but yeah. And we've got our instruction and recipe booklet that's in English y español también. So loud. Alright, so let's open it up. Right, and the moment of truth, we're doing a toast test. So what we're gonna do is toast some bread in the old Cuisinart toaster oven. We're gonna toast some bread in the new Cuisinart toaster oven. We're gonna set them to similar settings. This one is a bit more precise because it's digital. It uses numbers to describe the shade of your toast. I don't know why that tickles me, but this one you just kind of turn the dial, and it's not always super consistent. Like if you've toasted bread before and the oven is already hot, it might burn your toast if you keep it at the same settings. So we're gonna put these head to head, and we're gonna see which one is the best thing since sliced bread. If you were wondering how I opened that box earlier, I used this tool. And this is the Leatherman Raptor. And I used this when I was a resident on trauma, okay? So this shear is very versatile. And when someone comes into the trauma bay, whether it's a motor vehicle accident, a gunshot, or somebody falls from a deer stand, the first thing you gotta do is to cut all their clothes off. Strip them butt naked. And the fastest way to get that done is with a really great trauma tool, really great trauma shears. So for that job, we use these. And I know that I'm using it in the kitchen now, but don't worry, I haven't done trauma since 2017, so that's at least 3 years ago. And this has been sanitized multiple times. I don't know if you guys saw this, but this was just smoking a second ago, and another reason that we decided to go ahead and upgrade. So this one's actually finished first. This one's done. All right. So this one finished. Now this one is finished. Let's put it on a plate. I don't know. This toast looks pretty good. Let me get a close up. Pretty golden brown. Not too bad, right? This one is a bit more evenly toasted. Our comparison here is we've got some toast that is, it looks good. It's pretty golden brown. Definitely eat this toast, no problem. It's got these grill marks on the side, which is pretty interesting, or on the other side, which is pretty interesting. But it's a good, it's a good piece of toast. But the only issue is that it's not even all the way through. I'm not a toast critic here. I mean, like, I don't know anybody who's like not gonna eat this toast. This one is more even, all the way through. Same complexion, I guess, of toast. Same level of toast all the way through. This looks like restaurant quality toast here. The Morehouse bed and breakfast. Now that we've completed our toast test, I think that we can unanimously agree that our new digital air fryer toaster oven takes the cake. And that's a great thing because that means we didn't waste our money and we can finally retire this old smoky toaster oven. But we appreciate your service. I hope you find a great home. Okay? So now that the toast test is over, it's time for the taste test. And I'm sure they're both gonna taste like, toast. But in case you didn't know, the honeys played me close like butter plays toast. From the Mississippi down to the East Coast. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you liked it, I'm sure you're gonna know somebody who likes it. You may even know somebody who needs a toaster oven, or maybe an air fryer. So make sure you share, all right? And again, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.